Welcome to my YouTube channel, Meher 360 Vision. Hello friends, today we are discuss about overview of Python programming language. Python is a versatile high-level programming language known for its simplicity and readability. Developed in the late 1918 by Guido van Rossum, Python has since become one of the most popular language in the world, used for a wide range of applications from web development to scientific computing. Simple and readable syntax. Python syntax emphasizes readability and simplicity, making it ideal for beginners and experienced programmers alike. Its clean and concise code structure reduces the time needed for development and debugging. Versatility and portability. Python is a versatile language offering a broad range of libraries and framework for various tasks. It runs on multiple platforms including Windows, Mac operating system, and Linux, making it highly portable and accessible. Extensive standard library. Python comes with a comprehensive standard library providing modules and functions for common programming tasks. This library covers areas such as file input output, networking, mathematics, and more, reducing the need for external dependencies. Strong community and ecosystem. Python boasts a vibrant community of developers contributing to its extensive ecosystem of third party packages and framework. The Python packages include P1PI, host thousands of packages offering solution for practically any programming need. Ideal for rapid prototyping and developing developments. It dynamics typing and high-level data structure enable quick iteration and experimentation, speeding up the development process of widely used in various fields. Python finds application in web development, Django, Flex, data science, NumPy, Pandas, machine learning, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Automotion, Selenium, Beautiful Soap, and more. Its versatility and ease of use have made to favorite among developers in diverse industries. I hope you enjoy the video and found it information. See you in the next topics. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. This is your host Ali Raza signing off. Take care.